Hey everyone! Kumusta mo? I hope you're all doing well and excited for another lesson on Cebuano language. Because today, we are delving into a key aspect of Cebuano grammar, the linker nga. So what is nga? At its core, nga is a linker used to connect words, phrases, or clauses in Cebuano sentences. It acts as a bridge, providing cohesion and clarity in communication. One common use of nga is linking a head, usually a noun, and its modifying entity. It helps specify or describe the noun that follows, providing additional details or context. For example, ang bata nga buutan, the good kid. In the sentence, you're linking the noun bata to the adjective buutan with the help of our linker nga. You could also switch the adjective with a noun and it would still have the same meaning. So, ang bata nga buutan could also be ang buutan nga bata. Another example. Nindot nga kanta. Nindot, being our adjective here, is modifying our noun kanta or song with our linker nga. Nindot nga kanta, beautiful song. Adjectives are also linked to other adjectives if they both describe the noun. For example, taas nga nindot nga mga bulak. Taas nga nindot nga mga bulak. Tall, nice flowers. But nga doesn't stop at adjectives. It also links pronouns or clauses. Let's start with pronouns. And in this case, demonstrative pronouns. Kini nga papel. So first things first, what is a demonstrative pronoun? A demonstrative pronoun is a type of pronoun that is used to point to something specific in a sentence. In English, it's that or this. In a phrase here, our demonstrative pronoun is kini, meaning this is connected to our noun papel, which is paper, by the linker nga. Kini nga papel, this paper. Another example. Kato nga tinidor, that fork. Next is connecting nouns to interrogative pronouns. They are pronouns that are used to introduce a question. So basically the W question words what, where, who, and so on. Unsa nga bulana ka niabot? Or unsang bulana ka niabot? What month did you arrive? Unsa, which is our interrogative pronoun here, is connected by the linker nga to our noun bulan, which means month. Unsa nga bulana ka niabot? Nouns can also be linked to possessive pronoun by our linker nga, creating a seamless way to convey ownership. Imong iring. Imo, or in English, your, our possessive pronoun here, is linked by the linker nga to the noun iring, our cat. Imong iring, your cat. As you can see here, our linker nga was contracted to ng. That's because the preceding word, which in this case is imo, ends with a vowel. Again, you could contract the nga linker to ng if the preceding word ends in a vowel. Let's have our previous phrase as another example here. Bata nga buutan. The preceding word of our linker here is the noun bata. And since it ends with a vowel, which is letter A in this case, we could contract nga and it would result to batang buutan. How about if the preceding word ends with the letter N? Then nga could be contracted to G. For example, karon nga adlaw, today or this day. It will now become karong adlaw. Now, if the preceding word ends with a consonant, then you should not contract the nga linker. Pangit nga bola, taas nga balay, itom nga toalya. In these examples, the preceding words pangit, taas, and itom all end with a consonant. Hence, nga should not be contracted. One exception here somehow is the word gamay, which some speakers contract nga to ng. Gamay nga butang, small thing. You can also hear it sometimes as gamayng butang. The linker nga could also serve to join two independent clauses or complete sentences, connecting them in a manner similar to the word that in English. Nalipay ko nga nakapasar ka. Our clause here, nalipay ko, meaning I am happy, is connected by our nga linker to our sentence nakapasar ka, which means you passed. Nalipay ko nga nakapasar ka. I am happy that you passed. Another example. Kabalo ko, mulakaw ka. We have our sentences here. I know, and you're going out. In order to connect or link them together, we need our linker, nga. Kabalo ko nga mulakaw ka. I know that you're going out. And there you have it, a brief overview of the Cebuano linker nga. As you have learned, it plays a crucial role in connecting thoughts and ideas in Cebuano sentences. Whether you're a beginner or looking to enhance your language skills, understanding the functions of nga can significantly enrich your Cebuano conversations. Thank you for joining me today and for your continued support to this channel. And I'll see you in our next lesson. Hangtod sa sunod. Amping!